Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to share Instagram Reels on as a Facebook story. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-Minute Solution. So first of all, open the reel which you want to share to your Facebook story and tap on this paper plane icon and tap on add reel to your story. And once you're here, you can drag this video to make full screen and now tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner of the screen and tap on save. So here you can see the video has been downloaded. And now open your Facebook and tap on add to story, and here you will find your reel. Simply select the reel and tap on share now, and that's how you can share Instagram Reels on Facebook story. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.